Tired of expensive kibble? Let's ditch the store-bought and whip up some incredibly easy, healthy homemade dog food right in your slow cooker. This recipe is all about wholesome, natural goodness that will have your pup begging for more. We're talking lean protein, nutrient-rich veggies, and a healthy carb base first. Gather your ingredients: about 2 pounds of lean ground chicken or turkey, 2 medium sweet potatoes peeled and cubed, 2 cups of chopped carrots, 2 cups of trimmed green beans, and 1 cup of rolled oats. We'll start by adding our lean protein directly into the slow cooker. This will be the delicious and nutritious foundation of our dog's meal. Next, toss in your vibrant sweet potatoes and crunchy carrots. These guys are packed with vitamins and fiber, great for digestion and overall health. Now, add in your fresh green beans. They provide essential vitamins and minerals that keep your furry friend feeling their best. And finally, sprinkle in the rolled oats. Oats are a fantastic source of fiber and energy for active dogs. Give everything a gentle stir to combine, ensuring all those healthy components are well distributed. Now for my favorite part, the slow cooker does all the work. Place the lid securely on your slow cooker. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, or on high for 3 to 4 hours. You're looking for everything to be tender and fully cooked. Once it's done, give it a good stir. The ingredients should be soft and easy to mash, creating a wonderfully textured meal for your dog. Let the food cool completely before portioning it into individual servings. You can store these in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze them for longer storage. Serve a portion to your delighted pup, and watch them enjoy this healthy, homemade goodness. A circumflex euros. You'll feel great knowing exactly what they're eating.